Hello everyone. Let's look at the question. Okay, we are told fx is equal to x square minus 2x and gx is equal to x plus sine pi x, and the shaded region R is bounded by these curves. From the graph we see the curves intersect at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. Now you can verify very quickly. At x is equal to 0 both are 0. At x is equal to 3 both equals 3. So the region is between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. Also from the graph gx is above fx on this interval. Okay, so first come to part A, the area of region R. The area between two curves will be integration a to b, top minus bottom, dx. Okay, here area is equal to 0 to 3 gx minus fx dx. Now substitute, that is integration 0 to 3 x plus sine pi x minus x square minus 2x dx. Okay, now simplify inside, so we will get 0 to 3 minus x square plus 3x plus sine pi x dx. Okay, now integrate term by term. So integration minus x square dx is equal to what? Minus of x cube by 3. Integration 3x dx is equal to what? 3x square by 2. Integration sine pi x dx is equal to what? Minus of cos pi x by pi. And so antiderivative is equal to minus x cube by 3 plus 3x square by 2 minus cos pi x by pi. Now evaluate from 0 to 3. At x is equal to 3 we get minus 27 by 3 plus 27 by 2 minus cos 3 pi by pi. So this is equal to minus 9 plus 13.5 minus of minus 1 by pi. So that is 4.5 plus 1 by pi. Okay, now at x is equal to 0 we get what? 0 plus 0 minus 1 by pi. Now subtract 4.5 plus 1 by pi minus of minus 1 by pi, that is 4.5 plus 2 by pi. Okay, so the final answer for part A will be 4.5 plus 2 by pi, that is approximately 5.14. Okay, now come to part B, volume with rectangular cross sections. We are told cross sections perpendicular to x-axis. Each cross section is rectangle, height is equal to x and base is equal to distance between the curves. So volume will be integration 0 to 3 x into gx minus fx dx. Now substitute the differences. We get 0 to 3 x into minus of x square plus 3x plus sine pi x dx. Okay, now distribute x, so we get 0 to 3 minus of x cube plus 3x square plus x sine pi x dx. Okay, now integrate term by term. Integration minus x cube dx is equal to what? Minus x to the power 4 by 4. Okay, and integration 3x square dx is equal to x cube, and for integration x sine pi x dx use the integration by parts. Now let u is equal to x. So and du is equal to what? Dx. So x sine pi x dx is equal to minus of x cos pi x by pi plus sine pi x by pi square. So full antiderivative is minus of x to the power 4 by 4 plus x cube minus x cos pi x by pi plus sine pi x by pi square. Now evaluate from 0 to 3. At 3 we will get minus of 81 by 4 plus 27 minus 3 into minus 1 by pi plus 0, that is 6.75 plus 3 by pi. At 0 everything is 0. So the final answer for part B will be 6.75 plus 3 by pi. Okay. Now come to part C. Volume rotated about y is equal to minus 2. So we do not evaluate just setup. We use the washer method. So outer radius Rx is equal to what? Gx minus 2, that is Gx plus 2, and inner radius is Rx is equal to Fx minus of minus 2, that is Fx plus 2. So V is equal to pi into integration 0 to 3 Gx plus 2 whole square minus Fx plus 2 whole square dx. Okay, now substitute. You will get pi into 0 to 3 x plus sine pi x plus 2 whole square minus x square minus 2x plus 2 whole square dx. That's the setup. Now come to part D, parallel tangent lines. Now we are told g dash x is equal to 1 plus pi cos pi x. Okay, find where tangent to f is parallel to tangent to g. Parallel means f dash x is equal to g dash x. So first compute f dash x. Fx is equal to what? X square minus 2x. So f dash x is equal to 2x minus 2, and set equal 2x minus 2 is equal to 1 plus pi cos pi x, and solve on 0 less than x less than 1. Now use the calculators to solve, and the solution will be x is near about 0.82. Okay, so the final answer for part D will be x is near about 0.82. Okay, so I hope this solution is clear to you. See you in the next session with a new question. Till then, bye bye and take care.